Hi guys, today I'm gonna be talking about mountains, volcanoes, and earthquakes. To understand how mountains are formed, we need to take a closer look at the structure of the earth. The earth comprises of four main layers. The inner core is the solid ball of iron with the temperature of 5500 degrees Celsius, which is almost as hot as the surface of earth. Sharing a similar temperature, the outer core is a liquid layer composed of iron and nickel. Next, with the depth of 2,900 kilometers, the mantle is the thickest layer. The mantle is mostly magma, not quite a solid or not quite a liquid. Uh, the magma is also extremely hot. Finally, the crust is composed with solid rock. The crust is the outer layer of the Earth's surface. It is the thinnest between all the layers. It is the crust that our mountains and other features of landscape are formed. Now I'm going to be talking about plate tectonics. Plate can move in different ways. They can be towards each other, called converge, and they can move away from each other, called diverge. Plates can also move in parallel, as two plates move close to each other, or converge. This can cause pressure. This pressure can cause plates to backen in different ways. This process over millions of years can form a mountain. There are three types of mountains: fold mountains, fault block mountains, and dome mountains. Constructive plate boundaries. Tectonic plates diverge or move apart from one another. As they move apart, molten rock rises or erupts from the mantle before cooling and hardening to solid rock. At destructive plate boundaries, tectonic plates move towards one another or converge as the plates meet. One plate is pushed underneath the other lighter plate. The point at which the one plate is forced underneath the other is called the subduction zone. Friction causes the plates to melt, becoming molten magma. The magma then forces its way up the side edge of the plate boundaries to form a volcano. Every 30 seconds, there is a earthquake somewhere in the world. Earthquakes are common in transform plate boundaries, as two tectonic plates move in parallel friction, causing them to stick when they eventually become stuck. It often causes a shake. This shake causes an earthquake that focus the earthquake. The focus of an earthquake is deep underground, where the earthquake begins. When the earthquake is triggered, it sends shock waves called seismic waves, spreads out in all directions from the focus. The epicenter is the point above the focus. It is here where the earthquake is felt more strongly.